Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a motion blur effect on flying birds. We are adding cinematic motion to flying birds. Start with a photo of birds in light. Select all birds using quick selection tool. Duplicate them to new layer. Apply motion blur with a slight angle. It instantly creates a natural sense of motions. Now lower opacity slightly to blend them into the sky. Add a second blur layer for more speed. Use a mask to keep one or two birds in sharp focus. This adds depth and realism. Enhance the sky color with gradient map and also add a little contrast